here I am again. Sorry about that. I'll do my new gadgety thing that I have in here, just making sure we're all honky-dory and good. So, your salon, is it an actual success or not? This is a really weird subject because everyone has a different answer to this, whoever you speak to. They may look around and go, look at my surroundings, look how good it is. I mean, to be really honest, means squat nowadays, mate. It means absolutely nothing. I've been speaking with clients all day today. Give me some love if you know you're on here. Say hi to me. Give me some thumbs up. Give me some blueies. Let me know that you are here. So what's success? Now there's a cafe not far from where I live and I know they spent close to $1 million on a fit out. Now do you think they're guaranteed to be successful? I don't know. You tell me. What do you think is success? Let me tell you what I think is success in my eyes and what I class as success for my salon. I class my coaching business as successful. I class my salon as being successful. And I'm going to tell you the difference. When you wake up in the morning and your bills are paid, you haven't got much grief, you go to work, you enjoy it, you love it, it's exciting, and you haven't got that awful pain of I've got to steal some money to pay the next bill, then your salon is a success. I don't know how many staff you need to get to this level. I don't know. You need to tell me what your success is. For me, over here in Australia, when I came here, I knew which house I wanted to buy. I knew which suburb I wanted to live in. And I knew exactly how much it would cost me. And to get something like that, I needed to earn about $600,000 a year and pay myself more than $3,000 a week. That was my success level for me as a salon owner. If I hit that, week on week, for year after year, I knew that my salon was a success. It was giving me a lifestyle that I actually wanted. So for you, what's yours? I'm speaking with salon owners today. I spoke to 2 this morning and 2 yesterday. Their success is different. They feel they're doing okay. They feel that things are all right. Money's tight. They couldn't last 2 or 3 weeks of a dead quiet week. You're not successful, and I'm sorry, you're not. And I have to tell you this. Success is different. So why do we have to be successful? You see, we've gambled a lot of things. We've gambled our clients, we've gambled our reputation, we've gambled our money to open this business. And this is a real business we've got here, guys. This isn't something that we're messing with here. Now, why do people find it really hard to be successful? Because that's the key here. Why are you not successful? Why are you successful? I'm guessing. So when it comes down to that, it's 3 ways to grow your business. We talk about this all the time. I'm harping on, I'm sorry, but some people don't get this. There's only 3 ways to do this, right? 1, you get anybody that doesn't know you exist to come into your salon. If you know how to do that continually, you know that when I put posts on Facebook, when I send it out to the big bad world, I get clients in the door. I would say that you are successful. I really would. You see, even as a coach, if I stood here and spent all my time coaching non-stop, writing modules and teaching my clients, eventually I would go out of business. I need fresh blood, just like you guys do. I need new clients, just like you guys do. So I've got to master I have to master the art of getting you, salon owners, to come and work with me, give you success so you tell your friends and the circle stays up and I stay in business. Today I had a conversation with a lady that's going to hire a marketing person to try and bring people in to their salon. And you have to know this yourself. You've got to have the power, not other people, because you can rely on other people. They're going to walk. They're going to leave you one day. I had a conversation with someone only just now before I came live. We was talking about this person that put a lot of money into this stylist, and the stylist walked left or right in it. You can't rely on anybody in this business, only yourself. That means that you've got to stand up and go, I need to know how to get clients in my salon with or without specials, whatever is your thing. I don't care who you go and learn off. We don't want to push specials into the outside world. We want to get top quality clients for our salon clients. So if you need to know how to learn how to attract real good clients, then you know what? We have a beautiful way to do that, and I'll teach you and I'll help you do that all the time. So you've got to know how to get clients in the door. You've also got to know that when you've got your salon, you can't get everybody in on a Friday and Saturday. We wish we could. You're going to have to learn how to get your bread and butter money in Monday to Thursday. You know, good quality clients that can come in the week. There's some tactics that you need, and we'll show you how to do that. And then you've got to learn how to deliver the most remarkable service ever. This isn't just like looking at stuff. I spoke to a client yesterday on a coaching call. She has got a great client journey, a lot of touch points inside and outside the salon that's really making her very, very busy. In fact, she has one of the best wage percentages I've ever seen in my salon career. And I'm talking coaching for 3 years, hundreds of salons. She has a very, very good business up there. So for me, when we talk about success, success is knowing the 3 major elements to grow your business. Grow it big enough so you have money in the pot. I spoke to another client only yesterday that we need this pot bigger. Stop backing off. You've got to keep the growth going, because the more money in the pot, the more money you can share with your team, the more money you can give to your clients, the more money you can give to your staff. Look at clients want a community now. It costs money. Staff want more money. You see, we have to do that. We have to make sure our pot of money keeps growing every single year. That's what we concentrate with our clients. We concentrate and get you the best we possibly can. So what's a success? Let me tell you what I think a success is. Success is 1, financial freedom. You're not working week to week and you've got a bit of money in the bank and you can survive a bad month. Not many salon owners can actually put a hand on heart and say, yep, I'm financially successful. I don't mean being a millionaire. That's not what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about the basics. I'm talking about most of you guys don't look at your appointment book and you're just hoping. So 1, your take-ins each week are guaranteed to cover all your bills and some. 2, when you want to grow your business, when you get a new stylist, a new apprentice, you know how to turn that tap on and get clients in the door. That makes you a successful boss, attracting people. Teaching your team to be good, growing your own from apprentice to senior. That's where the loyalty is, guys. But to do that, you need clients and you need to find out internally how you actually get people to fill your apprentices as you grow. And thirdly, we don't want to be the cheapest, nastiest, fastest hairdresser, beautician in town. We want quality clients doing quality work, and that takes you working on your client journey. So successful, really simple, 3 ways. Hey, not that bad. So why does everyone struggle? The reason is there's too much to do. Every single day, everyone, you think you know it, you bung something out, you might get a hit, you bung something out, you might get a miss. It's not really working too well for you. So there you go. You guys, a little shout out. If you feel that your salon is not successful and you want to figure out, am I the person to help you be successful? We have 9 simple modules. I can send them if you want them. You can check them out. I believe in all my hairdressing career in the UK and here in Australia, these 9 simple elements will just concentrate on growing your business, because that, when it's all said and done, is all that matters. We can talk about KPIs, we can talk about client complaints, we can talk about sick days, we can talk about computer systems and everything you want. But deep down, without clients and without a business and without staff, you're nothing. 0. You're gone. It's as simple as that. And 60% of salons close every year. Like, they close their doors, they sell, they get burnt out, they've had enough. Working hard isn't the way, working smart's the new way. So guys, let me know what you think. What is success to you? I'd love to know what that is. To me, it's being financially free, knowing full that I can turn the tap on. Like, as a coach, when I first started my first year, it was tough being a coach because I was too busy coaching people and trying to build systems, thinking this is great, forgetting that I have to go out there and find clients. I'm hoping I'm getting pretty close to that now. I'm getting like on a daily message of people asking me to coach them. Now, to me, at that level, it's starting to happen. My aim when I started this, and it still is to help 1,000 salon owners as quick as possible. So I got a long way to go. Only just over the 100 mark. I got a long way to go to get 1,000. But that's my plan, 1,000. I want to help 1,000 salon owners become successful. And then they will change their lives of the staff. And I'll leave some sort of legacy when the time comes for me to leave this place. It's as simple as that. So there you go. You know my why. My why is to help 1,000 salon owners as best I possibly can, to help their staff and to grow and to grow and to grow. And the legacy around the world that salon owners have made money and changed lives. That's what we're all about here at Lifestyle Salon Coach. So I want to say a big thank you. If any of my clients are here watching this and listening to me, thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do here. Hopefully you can say some good things about me. Or hopefully you can, and not too many bad things. And until then, I will catch you later. It's been an awesome time having a chat as per usual. Catch you later, guys.